My name is Ian Lilly and I'm North Tyneside Council Strategic Facilities Manager. North Tyneside Council is a local authority. It has a wide range of services. North Tyneside Council has a fleet in excess of 300 vehicles, and that's from your RCVs, your 26 tonne refuse collection vehicles, right the way down to your sort of Kango vans, and a wide range of sort of specialist vehicles, gritting vehicles, cleansing vehicles, cherry pickers, all kinds of a wide range. We first looked at an electric fleet about 4 years ago, following the coming back in the house of our construction arm from Kia North Tyneside, and we have currently about 15 electric vans. Well, we have quite big ambitions as a local authority for a net zero 2030 target, and over the next 3 to 4 years we'll be replacing around 200 of our vehicles. The sort of less than 3.5 tonne vehicles that's a transition to electric over a phased approach from 25-26 going forward. It's made it deliverable and scalable. The infrastructure we've done in it, the EV is part of a wider sort of solution which is involving solar PV, large ductwork infrastructure and a battery storage solution. It's across the site, so it allows us to adapt and develop the site as obviously the fleet increases towards the electric solution. So we were looking for a solution which complemented all the other aspects of the sort of energy efficient measures that we were introducing. Looking for something that was scalable, that was reliable, had a good track record, and would just give us options and flexibility going forward. I think it was a very good price point, a very good product, very reliable, which has been proven out over the last sort of 10 months whilst we've been making use of the product. Very user friendly, and just all in all it's been quite painless, which is, from an FM perspective and from a site management perspective, has been really positive. One of the things when we first installed it, we've got over 100 staff users, notwithstanding the fleet users, and we set up a sort of it's like problem solving and any sort of troubleshooting kind of like group with all the users, and the actual traffic was minimal. It was really very straightforward. A lot of the staff took to it really easily. I found it just painless, and in terms of its use, I think it's a very user friendly sort of solution. I think the whole ChargedEV team, from start to finish, from those initial sort of pre-start meetings right the way through to delivery, the on-site team were great. Ricky was really good, Lee on site. All the back office conversations I had were really positive. It was sort of one of the final bits of the jigsaw in a very challenging construction period. We've been refurbishing the Kilmer site for over 4 years, spent nearly £18 million in doing so. So there was, it was quite a challenging period. So it was one of the sort of final pieces in this phase of the works, and it was certainly one of the easiest pieces, shall we say, of the jigsaw that we've kind of tried to deliver on site. I have championed your company, and I always champion companies who make my life easier. I think we've had only minor issues since install, and every one of those issues has been dealt with really effectively and efficiently. And the back office, the fuse support, all of that has just made life very straightforward for us. It's one of those things that it's something I don't think about, because it's just seamless and it just operates and it's painless, which is, again, from an FM perspective, is all you want from all your systems. So it's been a really good experience for North Tyneside working with yourselves.